So here we have a golfing problem. Somebody hits a golf shot. They're on a slant. Okay, and in terms of the trigonometry of the slant, it's a 1 to 5 slope. So slope is 0.2. And so they're, whatever shot they're hitting, they get a very low rise out of it. So relative to the horizontal, it's going up at 30 degrees, takes off at 40 meters per second. And then, so we want to find the distance d along this slope where it hits point B. So it's kind of the same problem. We're going to have moving along in the x and moving along in the y. All right, so breaking this thing down, so here's the initial stuff that we have. It goes along the x at 40 cos 30 times time. All right, so that's this thing moving along the x. And then y, distance along the y. We'll say this is 0. And then we have 40 sine of 30. So that's v0t plus 1/2 minus 9.81 t squared. Okay, so once again we have three equations and two equations now, but three unknowns, t, dx, dy. We need a third equation. So we want to relate x and y. So if we look at this, this is really helpful here. Okay, the equation of this line, if we deal with that as 0, the equation of this line, so if I call that my origin, okay, we can look at that. It says y equals 1/5 x. Simple equation of a line. Slope 1/5. So whatever x is, y is 1/5 at this point. Ooh, well, that simply says dy equals 1/5 dx when they hit. Bam. Maybe now once again have three equations and three unknowns. So here's what we would do is we would take this dx, divide by 5, and set it equal to this. If you do that, I'll let you do this on your own. You'll come up with 2.665 seconds. And then you can stick it into x into y. And so you'll wind up with dx equals 92.3 meters. dy is 18.46 meters. Now, it would be very tempted to finish the problem here, and on exams students often don't finish the problem because they don't look at the question being asked carefully enough. The question is what's this distance? Here. Oh, well, d is simply dx squared plus dy squared to the 1/2, and that gives us 94.13 meters equal d. And this one is finished. All right, this is a quick video. I'm going to set up for the next one. See you soon.